What if I told you that you can get cutting-edge performance, stunning cameras, and premium design without emptying your wallet? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today, we're putting the latest smartphone model to the ultimate test to see if it lives up to the hype or falls flat. But here's the kicker. What if buying the wrong smartphone leaves you regretting your decision for the next 2 years? Pause. Let's make sure that doesn't happen. Stick around because I'm unboxing this phone, testing its performance, camera, and battery, everything you need to know before spending your hard-earned money. And trust me, there's a twist you won't see coming. Also, will the unboxing experience be as fancy as what they show in ads, or will it look like I opened a box of biscuits? Let's find out. All right, let's start with what you get inside the box. Because, let's face it, unboxing a new phone is half the fun. First impressions. The box feels premium, nice weight, clean branding. Nothing screams budget phone so far. What's inside? We have the device itself. Charging brick, bonus points if fast charger is included, USB cable, and, oh wait, no earphones? Looks like companies are really saving on that. But hey, we can't be too greedy, right? I mean, who doesn't love spending extra on accessories you thought would be free? Now let's get into the real deal, performance. You don't want a phone that freezes when you're switching between Instagram and Netflix, right? So here's what powers this beast. The processor name, paired with RAM size, means this phone handles multitasking like a pro. Whether it's gaming, editing videos, or doom scrolling through Twitter, I didn't experience any lag. And the display? Oh, it's gorgeous. With a display specs, resolution, refresh rate, everything looks buttery smooth, like swiping through those Insta Reels you pretend you hate. But hold on, performance is only half the story. A smartphone is only as good as its camera these days. So how does the latest smartphone model fare? Pause. Let's dive in. Let's talk cameras. Because who doesn't want the perfect selfie or Insta-worthy shot? The megapixel count and features captures impressive detail in daylight. The portraits are crisp, and the edge detection is spot on. For low-light shots, it's surprisingly good. Night mode brightens up the scene without overdoing it. That's a win. But, and there's always a but, the ultra-wide struggles a little in low light. So don't expect miracles when snapping pics of your midnight pizza runs. Now here's where things get interesting. Because a good camera doesn't mean much if the battery dies halfway through the day. Battery life. One of the biggest deal breakers for most of us. Imagine watching YouTube or attending a Zoom meeting and bam, your phone gives up on you. Frustrating, right? Thankfully, the battery size in milliamp hours lasts a solid battery hours on normal use. Think texting, streaming, and light gaming. And here's the best part. It charges from 0 to 100% in just charging time. That's faster than most budget phones in this range. So with solid performance, a capable camera, and dependable battery, is this phone worth your money? To wrap it up, here's what you're getting with the latest smartphone model. Premium design, smooth performance, impressive cameras, reliable battery. At Ayer's INR price or USD price, this phone delivers excellent value for budget-conscious buyers. But here's the thing. Deals like this don't last forever, and stocks are already running low. If you're eyeing this phone, now might be the time to grab it. Still wondering whether to stretch your budget just a little more for better specs? I've got you covered. Check out my deep dive on best smartphones under rupees amount, where I compare this model with others to help you make the best decision. Click here. It's right on your screen. See you there.